Make maple butter. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks. As soon as you get your hands on some fresh maple syrup, try turning a little bit into a wonderful maple butter spread. You'll need to start with 1 cup pure maple syrup, 3/4 cup real butter, heat maple syrup in a heavy pan until it forms and reaches about 240 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the softball stage. Should take about 10 minutes. Stir in butter and pour mixture into a mixing bowl. Beat until it's thick and creamy, about 10 minutes. Pour your maple butter into a glass jar and refrigerate. This recipe makes about 1.5 cups of maple butter. Serve your maple butter on biscuits, cornbread, rolls, and on toast. Check out these other butter recipes I have in a playlist. If you like my content, be sure to hit the like button. Make sure that you're still subscribed and ring that notification bell so you don't miss another recipe video.